Tech companies are eating their future. They're firing junior developers just to pay for AI servers. In 10 years, when the current seniors retire, nobody's going to know how to make any of this stuff actually work. In farming, eating your seed corn means you're basically eating the seeds you need to plant for next year. You might survive the winter, but you're going to starve when spring hits. That's exactly where this industry is going. I've been in this industry since 1995. I've seen the ups and downs. This isn't just a phase, it's a structural collapse. Here's the 3 problems that are going to wreck us. Problem 1, the death of the junior role. The entry-level market is basically falling apart. Junior developer postings are down 60%, and junior UX roles, they've dropped 73%. Companies are killing these jobs to dump money into AI. Look at Microsoft. They cut 15,000 people the same year they put $80 billion into AI hardware. Right now, there's a gap of 4.2 million unfilled AI positions, but only 320,000 people are actually qualified to do that work. That's a 13-to-1 gap. Companies think they can just hire specialists, but they're forgetting that specialists, they start as juniors. You can't hire your way out of a talent pipeline you just destroyed. It's short-term profit and long-term suicide. You're saving a buck today by getting rid of the people who should be your lead architects in 2035. Stop trying to outspeed the AI. You won't win. Instead, focus on understanding. Every time an AI writes a piece of code for you, force yourself to rewrite it by hand. You have to burn that logic into your brain. You don't win by prompting faster. You win by knowing more. Problem 2, vibe coding and epistemic debt. About 84% of developers are using AI tools right now. Juniors are vibe coding, prompting the whole apps without a clue of how they actually work. Then when it breaks in production, they're stuck because they've never learned to read a stack trace. This is why code review times have jumped 91% in teams that lean hard on AI. Seniors are spending all their times fixing AI mistakes instead of teaching. We're building epistemic depth, code that works for now, but nobody understands why. We've created a generation of super juniors. They're fast, but they have no architectural sense. When they hit a real wall, they're helpless. If you're managing these kids, make them debug manually. Use strong style pairing. The junior types, but you talk through the logic. Don't just fix their mistakes in reviews. Ask them why they chose that path or what happens if a value comes in, let's say null. Make them think. Problem 3, the missing pipeline. You don't get expertise from a book. You get it from failing and learning. You become a senior by surviving production fires and bad architectural choices. AI is basically automating you out of all that struggle and challenges. When you don't struggle, you don't build the muscle. It's a time bomb. Between 60% and 80% of IT budgets go towards maintaining old systems. By 2030, the experts who understand those systems are going to be retiring, and there's nobody to replace them because we stop hiring juniors in 2024. Companies are already finding out that their AI native devs can't touch legacy code because they don't know the fundamentals. When a critical system crashes, you won't have anybody left who knows how to fix it. Have fun. If you're running an engineering team, you have to rebuild your pipeline now. Don't cut every junior role. You need to treat mentorship like infrastructure. It's not some item you can just slash. You should use AI as a teaching tool, not a replacement for human thinking. How to survive? The answer isn't to ban AI. That's just being naive. The answer is intentional apprenticeship. For juniors, build the muscle AI can't copy. Learn to debug without help. For seniors, don't just check boxes. Teach the why behind the code. For leaders, hire juniors and pair them with your best people. Invest in your future. I've been building and selling companies for a long time. I'm telling you, the industry is making a huge mistake. You can't automate expertise. You have to build it one person at a time. This isn't about being nostalgic. It's about staying alive. I'm breaking down the full framework, the scripts and systems for real apprenticeship inside the Serious CTO community. $9 a month. No shortcuts, just real work. You can eat your seed corn right now, or you can plant it and survive the spring. Your call.